Hondas are a bit odd, I feel. CB350RS. Since the weight is less, look at that beautiful tail of this. Let's go. Feel of the engine is same, the same as that of Highness. Okay, so I really need to see where the horns and where all the buttons are, because these are a bit different, like odd. If you see the other bikes, Hondas are a bit odd, I feel. Okay, so talking about the seating position, it is more upright and the foot peg position is little backwards. Like I have to close my knees, like the angle is lesser. I mean the foot peg position is little bit back side and my feet are bending. So more aggressive positioning is there in 350 RS. So personally speaking, the look wise I like this one. It's really good. Talking about the ergonomics, I think I like the Highness more. I'm yet to ride the Honda CB350. What is that called? I don't know. That one which looks similar to Royal Enfield Classic 350. Yeah, I'm yet to ride that. Okay, so I think it is bike to bike, but this one has a bit, yeah, the gears are harder on this one, but the torque is same, and being the same engine in Highness, this one and the CB350, yeah, so this one is the base model and it does not come with the Bluetooth indicator and all that Bluetooth related stuff, so it has lesser controls here. Yeah, so this one also has the same thing. The initial pickup is lesser compared to the classic 350, making all the Royal Enfield's 350cc segment. Okay, so the turning radius is also I don't know, I wouldn't say less. It is there, the radius is there, but you don't feel that. And this one, because of its sitting position, you have to lean little bit forward, and because of that you feel a little bit weight on your hands while you are maneuvering it. So it is not as nimble as that of the CB350 Highness. I mean Highness, it's not that much nimble. What is this guy doing? Yeah, the horn is a bit, yeah, horn is not loud enough, I feel. It has to be more louder. I think this is the same horn that comes with the Activa. the sound. I love the sound. I really love the sound. These Hondas are the best sounding motorcycles that I have ever ridden. I mean, it is sounding like a bike with custom exhaust, meaning the sound is sweet and yet not so loud to be obnoxious. Oh, look at this. They don't have that validation in the system. Even though the bike is on, still the starter motor still can be turned on, which okay, so quick look around of this beautiful machine. Okay, so comparing with the Classic, I feel since the weight is less, it is easier to stop this bike, and even the disc diameter is bigger and the wheelbase is also bigger than the Classic. This is 90 tire. Classic has 80. Okay, let's hear the exhaust note. Look at that beautiful tail of this, like a perfect cafe racer. I don't know how much practical it is. It won't be that much practical in the rain because all the mud will come on the pillion. Okay, so the exhaust note, I think I liked more of the highness. So on the screen you get odometer, the gear indicator, time, fuel indicator, all blacked out in a negative display. You get the side stand indicator, neutral indicator, ABS, and economy, and the lighting, the TCS, traction control, and some other indicators as well. So one benefit is that this thing comes with tubeless tires, and to see on the road price of 2 lakh, close to 2 lakh 60,000 or 50,000, this is a good option. For those who are thinking of getting a bike, I mean, I would slightly I regret buying the Classic 350 Reborn, but there are some things which no other bike can take away from Classic. That is the low end torque and the gear ratio. Like, you can keep that thing in any gear, like even 5th gear, and still you can ride it at 20-30 speeds. It won't ask you to slow down, or I mean put it in the lower gear. It does not. I think that is what I like about the Classic. And since it has weight, you get stability on certain potholes or anything, but you can't nimble. I mean, it is not that nimble, and you cannot just dodge the potholes. Okay, the brakes are quite good, better than the Royal Enfield's classic. I don't know what the I personally like this color. Look at this beautiful blue color with the black stripes. Very contrasting, and I like contrasting colors. Will they allow me to pass? Highness, huh? Highness better than this. Highness better.